longest. Jokan di mana?
Terus.
Roll. Ya, lumayan.
I just extra small.
Itu buang bulu banget.
Sorry, you go.
Be careful, yeah. Put in my pocket.
I waiting here.
Are you right
Okay.
here?
Yeah, that's
Keeping the car cool.
car
If I shout,
upper.
save me. The monkey might eat me.
I'll put that on your wrist for the monkeys.
Yeah, a lot of monkey here.
Oh, he's nearly fell over again.
Mom, put it around your wrist for the
William.
monkeys. William.
I think you're alright. I'm not open, am I?
No.
It's not open door.
No. Oh, wow.
Mister, you can standing here.
Bush. Sorry.
Okay, before to enter, I give information. Why? Because you a lot of monkey. Sometimes monkey very aggressive and jump, don't grab something. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, see
My name is Kadek. I'm the guide local. Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name? Mole. William.
I remember.
Yeah, William is the king of the England. Yeah, he's the
yeah.
Mr. William. Yeah.
Hannah.
Hannah.
And Jake.
Jake. Oh, Mr. Jake. Yeah.
Jake.
Mr. Jake.
Jake. Hannah. William.
Molly.
Molly. Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah. Welcome to Bali and special days Pulaki Temple.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Before to enter, I give information. Why? Because see a lot of monkeys. Sometimes monkey very aggressive and jump. They want to grab something.
They might
And
have a hat.
Bloodies.
And
Do you
then,
want to take
sir,
this?
It's round.
Okay.
It's round.
When you stay in the Lovina,
No.
where?
Near Bulaling.
Near Buleleng. Ah, like this.
Sanja.
Ah, this one. The local people also the local guys.
Yes.
Where? I give information again, yeah. We have the three visit. This is area. The public temple. We have the three place, yeah. And the outside for parking, the middle for the dance, and the main area there. Ah, like this one. The children, the kids area. I hope that monkey come inside because here is all the clues for protective of the monkey. You know zoo.
Yes.
Normal in zoo the monkey inside, but here the people inside the monkey outside. Yeah. And then if you want to eat sleeping, please come inside. Yeah. And then. You want to play?
Go and have a tap. Go then.
You wanna play?
Lift your hand up then. So I'm gonna
From here.
hold the stick further up.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, I'm not the best at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
Try.
this one. Yeah. Thick.
Oh, sorry. Step back.
It's not as easy as it makes it look. You make it look easy.
Yeah. Yeah. It's easy. Yeah. Like this one.
Yeah, he said you can film here. If at any point you need us to stop
Yeah.
filming, you tell us.
Just me.
If at any point,
Go in.
at any stage you want us to stop camera,
Yeah.
just tell us stop.
It's okay. You can mix it. Road area here is no problem.
Yeah, I don't want to be disrespectful
Oh yeah.
to anybody.
Later. Yeah. And here is this is a public temple. We open it 24 hours and every day. Sometimes the if Papa Jack,
Yes.
Papa Jack, yeah, Mama Hannah,
Daughter,
William.
son.
What's your name?
Molly.
Molly. If you this is a public temple. We open the 24 hours and every day. If you have a good, but is a lot of the guests come here. Sometimes if you want a good feeling, if you want to praying, yes, you can pray here. But if you want to just look, it's up to you. Because this is the public temple. We have one house, one temple is for family. Yeah.
Mum.
more fast, yeah. I hope not monkey come inside.
Thank you.
Today ready? Okay, I get information, yeah. Okay, this is the main area. We open the 24 hours every day. Sometimes the holiday will start here a bit tired. You can sleep over there. Yeah? This is the pastor. Yeah, this is my pastor, the leader of praying. Yeah, and then normal in Malaysia, if you want to bring to praying, bring to occasion to the table. Yeah. And this is we call the pengalaman, the function of pengalaman. We keep the seal, holy scripture, holy ground, everything. But every day we open the door. Special people can
Special occasion.
outside there. This is the main temple, but then outside because the holy area also. And this one, the symbol of God's side here. It's decorated with monkey. Okay. And this one is the holy water.
That's so
This is
rad.
level for prepare. For prepare before. You want to pray or not?
Do you want to or not? I will.
Papa, you want to pray also?
Do you want a little prayer? Do you want to pray?
Oh, can I stand back to watch you guys?
Wait, I'm
Thinking
okay.
about crossing my legs.
Can I stay with Dad?
Oh, God, well, I'd like to get you in. It'd be nice.
Okay.
Nice if I could get you. What?
Can I just talk with you?
What's it?
Sorry. That hit so hot.
Oh. Sorry, sorry. Can you take some pictures of the ladies? Over there. Don't drop it. Come on, please. Beautiful. Sorry. Molly, hats off. No, Hannah, you don't drink it. Here I've had to edit the words up because I thought Hannah was going to drink the holy water and get deli belly. So I'm shouting, no, don't do it. And same again here with Molly. Sorry guys. Thank you. Subspa. What's the word? How do you say thank you? Suksuma. Good luck again.
Yes. Oh, it's feeling. Yeah. It's good feeling.
Useful.
Wait, are we going to see the monkey?
Suksuma. No,
Here.
good.
Yeah, the monkey outside, the people inside here.
Yes,
Yeah.
monkeys go on the outside.
No monkeys in here.
Here, no monkey. Is there in with a guide? Yes, you can come here, but no guide sometime now because of all the clothes.
What
Very
outside?
beautiful.
Yeah, thank
Very
you
beautiful.
much. This is if you want to make villa this Balinese style like this, yes, you can do it.
The doors are always really
Yeah.
fancy.
Papa Jack, if you want to playing there, if you want to standing there, take a picture of your family, yes. Because
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Oh, the baby monkey. The baby monkey. Hello, baby monkey. Hello, little monkey. Hello, baby monkey. Oh. Hello, monkey. See them. Hello. No. Just super careful because they look nice. Yeah, they do, honestly.
And another group, this one, baby, small baby.
Well, Jesus Christ, look at the nuts on that. It's got black nuts. One second.
With the monkey. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Maybe the monkeys are fighting back.
Hello. Nice nuts, mate. Oh wow. Is that dreadlock? Well, I'll have to walk on the guy's hair. There.
Let's finish, yeah?
Wow.
So very hot, yeah?
Very hot.
Don't drop it.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Take it off.
No. Ah. Okay, this is your driver, huh?
Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice
Thank-
day, yeah?
Thank you. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is here. Subsuma. Thank you. Hot. Jesus Christ. Too hot out there. Woo. Sweating. Oh, will you pass me my beer, Will? I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Oh, my hair is so dry. Did we all like that, guys?
Yeah.
It was so nice, wasn't it? And Jake has just gone to a little local shop to pick up bintang, because it's been a whole 2 hours since he's had one, so it's having withdrawals.
And I've never saw him so that far.
Here he comes. He's got the bintang. I think he might even have a cold drink for us, guys.
Show Peter, he will be impressed.
They've found us some snacks. We'll give it a try. It looks like what they make. What are the things that you get from the Chinese street that have like special messages inside?
Please, you open, just try.
Give it a try.
Ooh,
Here we
big
go.
boy.
There we go. Do you have a taste test? Tell me. What's the verdict?
Tastes like a prawn cracker ball. Strange type.
Good strange? Bad strange?
Good.
Good strange. Jake's chilling with the bintang. Yeah, Jake.
What?
You like?
Would you like one?
You like that? If you want.
Are the different colours different flavours, or are they all the same?
Have you tried one more?
Jake.
You like?
Very good.
You try one more.
I will. Gonna give it a go.
Local crispy.
Local crispy.
Yeah, local people make.
They're different flavours.
They're better than crisp at home. Then
Oh.
pack it up, make it crisp.
Different, yeah?
They're lovely.
They're absolutely delicious. Very good. How much do they cost for one bag?
For this one?
One bag, yeah.
Oh, look at mountains.
I think maybe 5,000. I think
5,000.
23p.
5,000.
Is that what? Wow.
So those snacks were about 23p, were they? Wow. They're really nice.
Well, £3 for that
Very tasty.
colossal beer.
You please get that green one. I don't know.
That's it, poke it up like that.
Just different buy in restaurant.
Yeah.
Well, do you have enough one?
This sleeve is.
Have also more bigger for that.
Try the green one.
Yeah.
This special for small bottle. This one. Also have the more bigger in Lopina.
But it's perfect. It's tight. Don't fall.
Yeah.
생겨본 네 심을 세워라 I wish you say